Anyway, we go to Attorney Hayes. Are you agreeable naman, Attorney Hayes? Payag ka ba doon? Can a senator judge who is detained or evading arrest still sit and vote? On what legal basis can the court allow or reject it?
Thank you, Attorney. Yung una muna, dito tayo sa masa, no? Kasi ang daming tanong ng masa. Bilang abogado ng bayan, ang dami kong natatanggap na mga tanong. Ano nga ba ang actual na situation ngayon ng Pilipinas? Okay, we have 24 senators. Okay, sa ating mga kababayan na medyo nahihirapan na umintindi, 24 ang ating senators. Kalahati niyan, 12. How to make majority? Plus 1, 13. Simple math. Okay, kindergarten. Everybody can understand that. 13 ang majority. Pero paano ngayon nangyari na nasasabi nila sila ang majority? Because kinonsider nila si Senator Jinggoy na nasa kulungan at si Senator Bato na nag-evade daw ng arrest, hindi considered sa bilang. So 24 minus 2, 22 na lang. Ano ang majority ng 22? 11 plus 1, 12. Ngayon, are they constituting 12? Yes, sabi nila, oo, kami nga ang majority kasi according sa case ni Avelino versus sino yun?
Cuenco.
Ang sabi ng Supreme Court, kapag ang ibang members ng senators, ang mga ibang senators ay wala dito, nasa abroad, namatay, nasa hospital, hindi makabangon, hindi maka-join sa session, they are considered hindi kasama sa counting. So, ang i-divide mo yung nandoon laang sa Senado at i-divide mo yan ng half plus 1. Now, question. That goes to your question, Attorney. Attorney Howard is asking, sabi niya, agree ba daw ako doon? Ako, I disagree. Bakit? Si Senator Bato kasi, hindi naman sinabi ng batas na namatay na siya. Okay? Kasi susundan natin ang kaso ni Avelino versus Cuenco. Hindi siya namatay. Wala siya sa abroad. Hindi siya nasa kulungan na non-bailable offense, okay? So wala siya doon sa tatlo. Well, hindi siya nag-resign. Now question, this will now go to a constitutional question. Yun bang sinasabi nilang nag-evade daw ng arrest from the ICC, hindi sa Pilipinas na case, yung doon lang sa ICC, considered na ba yan na absent in the eyes of the law and considered not to be counted as part of the number of the senators?
Okay. Well, Attorney Hayes, since you had less of your time, hindi mo naman ginamit yung buong 2 minutes mo kanina.
Oh.
I'll give you extra time
Thank
to
you for that,
elaborate further.
Attorney
So
Karen.
on that note, you're asking that question. So ano nga, how do we classify
So for me,
Senator Bato
Senator
right now?
Bato must be included kasi wala pang final definition kung ano talaga yung status niyan. Nag-evade nga ba talaga siya? Will that be considered yung ICC warrant? Was it a valid equivalent? Kasi talagang iba mga kaibigan eh. Yung nangyari sa Avelino versus Cuenco, si Senate President Avelino doon, nag-delay siya delay siya sa kanilang proceeding, hindi niya minadali. So, walang trust na ang members ng Senate, kaya siya tinanggal. So, they elected a new Senate President. This is not a fundamental similarity. There is no fundamental similarity sa case ngayon ng Senate natin sa nangyari noon.
Yeah. Well, I guess like apart from Avelino versus Cuenco, which talks about quorum with respect to the regular sessions or the regular business of Senate.
Regular business
Kasi
pa rin.
sa atin, kaya crucial yung tanong na ano ba yung 2/3 of all members of the Senate. It's because very clear ang Article 11, Section 3, Paragraph 6 of the Constitution that it says conviction requires 2/3 of all members of the Senate. So ang tanong, sino
ba yung all members? Sino ba yung
Pero
all members?
para kay Attorney Hayes,
Walang desisyon
sa'yo,
doon,
23, ang hindi mo kinakount is Senator Jinggoy Estrada.
I stand to be corrected. Yung 23 ko is for the quorum. For the 2/3, it's the 24.
So you're saying 24 pa rin ang kailangan.
24 pa rin ang
2/3 of
basis
24.
kasi walang similar decision na ganyan eh.
Kasi nga, according to Attorney Hayes, hindi analogous yung Avelino
Correct.
to the impeachment.
Yes, Attorney Howard.
Pero sabi nga ni Attorney Dean Rodel kanina, meron circumstances. Kailangan hindi absurd ang implication.
So you're saying may dalawang hindi makapag-participate.
Oo.